I don't speak. It's my first time speaking in front of people.
Hi guys, I'm Ghulam and I'm an international student just arrived in UK last month. So when I arrived here in London, I had like so many questions that were popping up into my mind as I was new here. So while in the process addressing to those questions, looking up on the internet, talking to people and all that stuff, I just came up with an idea of starting a YouTube channel and creating content that would help international students coming to the UK from all around the world. I kind of had a very sudden realization of this idea, but it just happened to me. So now what I will be doing is that I will be uploading 2 videos once a week, and I will be creating content and guiding students in terms of traveling London, accommodation, BRP, registering with the general practitioner, studying, living the city of London itself, and much more. I tell you what, ever since I made this decision, I just kind of have this thing in my subconscious mind that this might be a way of going an extra mile and creating something informative that might help someone. So I just have a very good feeling towards my decision. So comment below what you guys think of my decision, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because when you hit the bell icon you will receive a notification every time I upload a video, and this way you won't miss any of my content. So that's that, and that's how I decided to start a YouTube channel. So for now I just hope to see you guys very soon, and fingers crossed to my YouTube channel.